Hello guys, good morning. So I have entered a trade at 92. It's currently at 85, 83. Okay, it's coming down very fast. So okay, so this is basically 15,900 CE. And why did I take this trade? Is I can see a bullish sentiment right from the opening price. However, it is falling from the point it has opened. So at this moment, this is bearish. However, I think it will take support at the middle of the Bollinger Band. So I'm waiting for this reversal. Right. So let's see. Actually, I did not expect it to break this uh, exponential moving average. This green line that you can see. It's 100 candles moving average. Yeah. So I did not expect it to break this line, but it. I mean, let's see. Candle has not yet closed, but I believe that it will close below this line, of course, and it will also close below 50 moving average as well. I think it will take support at 50 moving average, because yesterday 50 moving average was behaving as a very good resistance. If you see yesterday's chart, the 50 moving average has played a very important role yesterday. So I'm expecting it to play an important role today as well, but as a support, right? So we can see some rejection here. Some good amount of rejection is coming. So did you see that? Amazing, right? This is why I told that we should always wait till the closing of the candle. So it did not close below 100 moving average as per my expectation. So we are still good in the trade. See, we have entered the positive zone as well. That's going as per my expectation. Let's see what happens. I'll stop the recording here. I'll resume once again when I am exiting the trade. I'm expecting it to close my trade somewhere around 15,800. When the market reaches 15,800, that's my target. So I'll close my position at that point, right? Or if I'm getting the profits early, so I'll book my profits. It depends. So I'll keep you updated. As of now, I'll stop this recording. So right now I'm incurring good amount of loss. So the loss has gone to around minus 1500, and market has fallen drastically. So this is the point why I started the video here. Is this is the point the market should reverse. If it doesn't reverse here, I will have to exit, right? So why I'm saying this, the market should reverse here, is if you go to 1 day candlesticks, you see the market has come to the middle of the Bollinger Band, right? So it should take support here at the middle of the Bollinger Band and try to go up from here. Alright, so that is the expectation. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, so a lot has happened since the last trade that I took. So my strategy failed today. I mean, not the strategy failed, but whatever I expected did not happen. Okay, so yeah, this is the point where I took the trade, right? If you see, this was the candle that I talked about last time, and uh, this pattern is not good. After that, if you see the candle was trying to come back, and then a red candle which closed below the 100 moving average, so that itself was a bearish move and I should have exited there, but I thought it will take support at 50 moving average as well. So it took a support, but then again it broke, so it kept on breaking uh, until it reached a low of 15,575. So at that point I was already seeing a loss of more than 2200. So yeah, oh no, not at this point. Okay, I waited further. Actually I thought, okay, this was a good reversal point. So if you see this green candle, this looks like a good reversal point, but it did not reverse and it kept on falling more. I was still bullish actually until this point when this big candle happened, right? This big red at 1055. This is when I was seeing a loss of minus 2300, I guess. So at that point I sold a put. I had to do that because, okay, I'll tell you why I did that. I sold a put at this point. Okay, uh, after that it has been going up and it is in a bullish trend now, right? But I'm not sure because it is reaching the Bollinger Band top, and the Bollinger Band top and the 50 moving average both are coinciding there, so it will get good amount of resistance there, right? We have seen yesterday also it has acted as a very good resistance. So now I'll quickly show you my positions. Even it has gone up from this low point due to the theta decay. I haven't gained much here. I'm still at a loss of minus 2100, 21 yeah, 2100. So I'll show you the other trade which I took. Like told you that I sold a PE when the markets came down, right? We will quickly go to that trade. uh, yeah, this is the one. So this is also one lot only. I have sold one lot. I'll show you the orders. See, one order executed at 10:58 a.m. So the traded price was 103.7. I sold it at 103.7 and the current price is 55.95, right? So this is a very good trade. I am quite happy about this trade. However, we are making a loss there, so the net profit right now is somewhere around 1200 to 1300. So I'm planning to exit the trades. Let me see. I have to see the action because both are in the same direction. Okay, this is a very highly directional trade, and I have basically increased my risk because both are directional and both are in the same direction. Right. Okay, so we are at a net profit of 1600, I believe, so which is good for the day. which is quite good for the day. But I'll see the action here. I think we will see some interesting action at this point near this 15600 levels. Something interesting might happen here. So see, okay, so I didn't tell you like why did I choose to sell a put at such a risky level when it was falling heavily. That is because, okay, so I sold the put somewhere at 1155. So that is because if you see this 1-day chart, so this candle was a very big red candle, as you can see when it came down, and it broke this middle Bollinger Band. So my expectation was it will go at least once to test the middle of the Bollinger Band. That was the expectation. I could have been wrong, but since it was already a very big candle, and this view of mine was getting supported with the RSI. So now I'll quickly show you the RSI as well at that point. So if you see the RSI, yeah, so at this point if you see the RSI, it was quite low and it just touched 20, right? Let me try to zoom it. Yeah, so it was just near 20 and it was a very good entry point, so I took that risk of selling for 15,400 PE. Okay, we are having very good profits right now, and I have to see the action here. So let's see the action. It is trying to break out or it is trying to come back. How is it? Is it a trap or is it a good breakout? Let's see. Something very interesting will happen here. Okay, so those who do not understand how the call and put options work, how am I generating profit uh, when the index is changing? So please watch the basic videos which I have on my channel. It's called the Option Basics episode 1. There are 3 videos, so you can start watching one by one. That will give you even if you watch the first video, you will get an idea how this is working, right? Yeah, so it's 12:43. We have to wait 2 more minutes to understand what is happening. And mind you, this is all happening with just one lot. So those who think that you need very high quantity, you need very high capital to generate good amount of profit, so here is the answer for all of them. You need less quantity to generate more profits, because when you have less quantity, you have more confident on your studies, and you can stick to your study for a longer time. You can visualize the market more neutrally and not get biased when your quantity is less. If you are trading with higher quantity, eventually you will get biased seeing the
profits and loss, and later when you see the charts again, and then you will find, oh, how did I miss to see this parameter? This was so obvious. You will feel this later and you will regret later. So always keep your quantity low, and you can generate good profits even with lower quantities. And this is the example, live example for you. My trade is still directional, and it is quite risky as of now, because in both the accounts I have taken the trade in the same direction. I have sold a put here and I had bought a call in the morning. So basically both are long positions. I mean, I'm long on Nifty for the day, so it's quite risky as of now. But since this has closed above this 50 moving average, I have to wait for the next candle as well. I have to see the price action here now. So I'll pause the video here. I'll resume once again because this is going to get longer if I keep talking. So I'll pause it here. I'll resume once again when I am exiting the trades. So I have to go out now for vaccination, and I've decided to exit this trade, this one. So 59.55, whatever I'm getting, I'll exit. And let me 2700, I'll book this 3.10 by executed rate. So I got a profit of 3806 minus 2400, so somewhere around 1400 rupees, which is great. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
I came back home few minutes back and I just checked what happened for the day. So today I had my vaccination scheduled, so I could not hold on to my trade. Anyways, there's no regret. But just to show you my view, whatever view I had in the morning, right? I was quite bullish from the morning. And if you see the graph today, oh my god, this is awesome. So okay, so I had exited at 59.8 and it had closed today at 86.90. So you can imagine what would have happened if I had hold on to this trade. I would have still got some loss around 6 rupees, 6 to 5 to 6 rupees. And now if I show you what happened in the other account, you will be super amazed to see. Right, okay, so in that account I could have saved another 1.5k, and in this account I exited at 53.1 and it went to 16.4. so basically another 30 points easily, right? 30 to 40 points. So let's consider 30 points, which means another 2.2k. So around 2.5k here and 1.5k there. So I missed around 4k more today, right? Which I could have done today, but that's okay. There's no regret for that. What I am more excited about is the view that I had in the morning, right? So eventually it got rejected
it was such a big red candle that you saw in one day candlestick, and now if you see the candle, let me go to one day, boom, there is no big red candle. You see, everything is rejected, there is no big red candle. So this is what matters, the candle closing and not what happens during the day. So let's see what happens tomorrow. That's all from my side today. Thank you for watching. Bye.